Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our Unit 2 Animal Classification, Lesson 4, Warm or Cold-Blooded. This is your vocabulary intro. Let's first go ahead and look at our questions that we have for guiding our learning. Why is it important to classify animals? And which groups of animals can be classified by their backbones? Let's take a look at some of our vocabulary for this lesson. Open up to the bottom of page 4 of your vocabulary journal. And once you're there, our first word, this is at the bottom of page 4, our first word is cold-blooded. Say it with me, cold-blooded. This is an adjective, a word that describes or tells about a noun, a person, place, or thing. Write it on the line. Cold-blooded means having a body temperature that changes with the temperature of the environment. So if you're in a warm environment and you're cold-blooded, your body temperature would be warm. If you're in a cold environment, it would change and be colder. Turn to page 5, and now we have the word constant. This is also an adjective, a describing word that tells us about a person, place, or thing, a noun. Say it with me, constant. Write it on the line. Constant means not changing very much and staying steady and even. What's that saying? Slow and steady wins the race. Our agenda each day is an example of something that is constant. We don't do all completely different things every day. It stays the same. Our next word is huddle. Say it with me, huddle. This is a verb. This is a word that shows action, doing something. Look at those penguins. They are all huddling together. Write it on the line. Huddle means to crowd or squeeze together in a group to stay warm. Our next word is internal. This is also an adjective, and it means that it describes a person, place, or thing. Say it with me, internal, and write it on the line. This means on the inside or center of an object or organism. Internal means on the inside, and you can see body. There's a body there that shows our internal organs inside of us. Our last word for now is warm-blooded. Say it with me, warm-blooded. This is also an adjective. It describes a person, place, or thing, and in this case, we're describing animals. Write it on the line. Warm-blooded means being able to control internal body temperature by making heat within the body and having ways to cool the body down. Do you know how we cool our bodies down? We sweat. It helps us cool down when we sweat. So warm-blooded means being able to control your body temperature by making heat within the body to warm yourself up and having ways to cool yourself. Make sure you have these in your vocabulary journal. Say them lots and lots and try to use them at home. And you are submitting pages 4 and 5 of your vocabulary journal to me.